We wanted to record this tutorial so you can see how to edit and post new blog articles on your website. So if you're logged in, this is just the back end of what you're going to see when you log into your WordPress website. The main place you're going to go is posts. So pages is the overall, all of the actual pages on the website. Actually, let me show you that first. So if you go to pages and you click on blog, we're not going to click edit because I just want to show you what it looks like. You click on the link, you can see this is what your actual blog page currently looks like. So here are some recent posts. This is what we call the featured image of the latest blog article, another featured image. Anyway, you can see the layout of it. What's different about the blog page, I'm just gonna go back. What's different is instead of seeing each, you would think that you'd have one little gray module for each blog post. However, it's actually set up so that it's automatically pulling these in. So if you click the settings wheel, you can see posts, it's going to show up to 10. So like if you didn't want to ever talk about divorce again, you could uncheck that as a blog article category and it wouldn't show those. Or if you start to have more than 10, you can add however many you'd like to be showing up on that page and click that check mark. But it needs to pull this in from somewhere, and that somewhere is here in the posts section. So if you go to posts, you can see these are the current ones. I'll show you what they look like and then we can go through and just make one. So I clicked edit. It's the same process here as it would be with editing a page. The only difference is you're in that posts section instead of page. So here's where the title is. This is the URL. It automatically populates once you've put that title in. And then we just have this as that layout. So same kind of thing, the blue, the green, and the purple are all the margins and overall page settings. So you're not gonna wanna edit those. You're just gonna wanna look for these gray modules. So if you click the settings wheel, you can see that this is the image. And if you click this one, you can see this is the text. Just like when you're editing pages, if you see how it doesn't really look like a Word document, there's not all those options, then you're going to want to click visual. So then you can make this bold, you can italicize it, bullet point it, whatever you'd like on there. You can also hyperlink it. You can do whatever you'd like on there. Anyway, so if you click preview changes, which you should always do even if you're really confident in what you're doing, just to be safe, click preview, you can see that we're not previewing the whole blog now, we're previewing this one article. And this one article is going to be pulled over. If we pretend we just posted that, click on blog, it's going to be pulled over right here on the blog. So just going back, if we want to make a new one, a new post, you can either hit add new, or I just do it from here, add new. The most important part of this, and the one that people forget, is you always want to click use the Divi Builder. It's kind of easy to remember if you think about it, because this just looks like a Word document, whereas you want it to have those blue and green and gray modules. So I click use Divi Builder, wait for it to load. There we go. So I would do clone existing page. And then you can go, you see how this says post. So you can just copy exactly what you had from a previous blog post and then just go through and make sure that you change everything that you need to on there. So this will pull in an exact, it's like a copy paste of that other blog post. So you're gonna wanna go and change all the images, change all the text in there. Sorry, my computer's really slow today. Anyway, and then click preview and you'll see it. Then you can click publish. The other really important part on this is the category. You have to categorize it in order for it to show up where you want it to on the website. I don't know why this isn't loading, but this will show up just like that other one that we looked at where it has the blue, the green, and then the two gray modules. So make sure that you are always categorizing them. You can have as many as you'd like, but I would not have it as uncategorized because it just won't show up in the right spot on the actual blog page. The featured image is, if I would just get in the habit of using whatever image you're embedding at the top in that first gray box, I would use as a featured image here, and then you can add tags as well, and then just click publish. Thank you.